Hi friends, how are you doing? Today we are at Al Awir Fruits and Vegetables Market, Dubai, not to buy fruits, but for a photography event. It's a street photography organized by FujiFilm and Grand Stores in association with the photography group ISOHunters. This market is a frequent destination for street photographers in Dubai. Right now, there are 40 photographers in and around the market capturing stunning shots. Thanks to FujiFilm for giving us the opportunity to try out their latest and greatest cameras. At the end of the event, there will be a competition. Winners will be given away prizes. So let's keep exploring, watch till the end to see some interesting drone shots and some pictures captured at the market. By the way, if you haven't visited the market yet, you should definitely pay a visit. You get fresh produce at a very low price and some awesome pictures if you're interested.